Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best night creams that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mary Kay Extra Emollient Night Cream. Tightness, flaking, itching, and regular feeling of discomfort are common problems all those who suffer from skin dryness strive to get rid of. And the night cream from Mary Kay will come to help you in that. The problem of dry patches and flaky skin is familiar to people with all skin types. It can be caused by harsh weather or some harmful environmental impact, as well as by age-related or hormonal factors leading to moisture disbalance. The Mary Kay cream was developed as an all-around highly active moisturizer to help combat dryness issues for all skin types and applicable not only to face and neck, but also to hands, elbows, and feet. As such, it has a rich and luxury texture that will lay on your skin in an even layer and might take some time to soak in. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Olay Face Moisturizer Anti-Aging Night Cream. Our skin uses nighttime to recover and recuperate. Yet, as we grow older, the skin's ability to regeneration starts fading. The Olay Regenerist Night Cream will bring your skin a regeneration boost it needs and ensure effective night treatment for better skin recovery. Focused on innovative skincare technologies, in Olay, they worked out their own unique amino peptide complex too, that efficiently combats a whole variety of age-related issues. 2 specifically selected peptides, which are actually humble protein molecules, will function on the cellular level to prevent and reduce wrinkles, fade pigmentation, and brighten up your whole complexion. Besides, they are also great exfoliators that will remove dead skin and smooth out the skin surface. At number 3, we have the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Night Face Moisturizer. The product formula is built around 3 main components, with no fancy ingredients to it. Thus, the accelerated retinol SA will work on the surface to boost the skin's activity and regeneration abilities. It is really good at fading dark spots, evening the skin tone, and smoothing out fine lines. Meanwhile, hyaluronic acid will fight aging signs from within. By capturing moisture, it will pump up wrinkles and leave your skin deeply hydrated. The active face cream formula will dig into deep skin layers and, altogether, those seemingly simple ingredients provide almost an immediate effect. After the very first application, your skin will feel softer and look more supple, while in about a week of regular use, you'll see a noticeable difference in the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Some of them will disappear, while others will be hardly noticeable. At number 2, we have the ROC Retinol Correxion Night Cream. If you are into skincare and seek to give your skin type and age-appropriate treatment it needs, we bet you've heard about retinol, that, though a simple vitamin A derivative, works miracles when included into regular anti-aging routine. So if you are about to set onto your retinol journey, the Retinol Correxion Night Cream from ROC will become your best companion. Commonly, pure retinol might be somewhat harsh on the skin, causing dryness, tightness, and irritation, and increasing the skin's sensitivity to the sun. Hence, the night is the optimal time for topically applying retinol-infused skin products. Meantime, this cream from ROC was specifically formulated for retinol novices and users with sensitive and acne-prone skin. And finally, at number 1, we have the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. Does your skin look dull and feel tired from daily use of makeup or constantly being exposed to harsh environmental impact? Whatever the reason, the Renewing Night Cream from CeraVe will help your skin get rid of fatigue and revive it in close to no time. What makes this product stand out and makes it work miracles on exhausted skin is a dermatologist-approved formula based on a refined combo of ingredients. Thus, 3 essential ceramides are included to strengthen the skin's protective barrier and make it less prone to damages and harmful effects from outside. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.